What's up, guys?
Sige, wala.
Squirrels. With Blast, with Kyla, and with Arabella. So gahulat na lang kami past time kay we've done our photo shoot sang alas 2 pa. So it's currently 3
Ano na siya?
o'clock and 7 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Diba? We're actually having a photo shoot for our moving up ceremony in upcoming May 19.
Ay, akala ko 18.
It's May 19. Because
May 19.
May 18 is for the undergraduates, the grade 7 to 9.
Oh my God, kay English ka.
And our recollection will be on Monday. Right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. It will be on Monday, so look forward to it. We will vlog. So, guys, we've done our drinks here in Swirl, so we're gonna head to Plaza. So, see you guys there. Hi, guys. So now we're here. Welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. So now we're here on the plaza. To be specific, the Talisay Public Plaza. So, yeah.
So, yun tama ano? Hindi na nga doon, destination.
I don't know. Maybe sa school ta, which is CSNCR. Yeah. Oh, guys. Hi.
So we're here in Plaza. Yeah. And we have a nice playground set up here. Oo. Johnny, ipakita ang playground. Ipakita ang playground.
So, can we back?
No. Ipakita lang yun. Ipakita. Front cam.
Okay.
Ano ba nito flowers?
Currently there's so many people here because it's been a while since diba, the school hours. Because it's been raining for about it's been raining for about 2 days now. So many schools and many classes has been cancelled. Yeah. So yeah.
May natapos na yung ato.
Yeah. Tapos na amon.
I-vlog naman ang graduation.
So now we're here on Colegio San Nicolas de Tolentino, Recoletos. Harvey's here. See? Okay. Kyla.
Sa unang tingin agad na umali.
Guys, sorry na kami sa sulod sa meet. Yeah. Nang mic. Vlog. This is our first time vlogging.
Dapat feel privileged.
Pretty, sila yung assistants.
Oh, ano mas pretty sila? Picture din yung yan.
Picture time with Cici. Picture time with Cici. Picture time with Cici.
Namumukat kahit ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na.
Ay, sorry kung gusto mo.
Sorry, ang lipa din galing.
Yeah, for recollection. Recollection, regalio sila. Diba, miss nyo kami. Diba, we're at 7-Eleven. Sorry. We're at
Tanadika.
Yeah.
Tanadika. On our way sa CICA.
Yeah, for our recollection. Because we're moving up. Because we're gonna move up na, diba? Ano feel mo? By the way, meet Lian gali. Wala ni sa sang last tanga vlog. So, meet them, guys. So, yeah. And at the back, yeah, they're so great and awesome. So, let's meet sa CICM, okay? Bye! Bye! Sorry na kami.
Tie me down, lock me up in a cage, don't let me out. I want that ball and chain, let's buy it out. We'll get that Persian rug you talk about. You can have anything you want. I know that you're all of my need, baby. You know I would do anything, yeah. I want you all to myself. You nobody else. Something about you makes me feel things I never felt. I want you all to myself. I want you all to myself.
Hello guys! So unfortunate gid nga wala kahit kami ka-vlog because
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede.
Wala
yeah, because diba for recollection. Oh, Tishan is here. Say hi to our vlog. Yeah. Hi.
Nabilin ko ako.
So yeah, di kami kakatapos ng namon mass, di ba? And the mass is really great. I mean,
The power.
the homily was very exciting. Was very exciting.
Ay, na si Lian.
Yeah, and Lian is here.
Nandun si Ma'am Bern,
I have
Blackpink.
yeah.
Yes.
Hindi kayo makaturutan. Host.
Okay, so...
Kyla.
Ay, hindi ta gani ka, no, OOTD. Kaya mo man ng Japon, ako OOTD ta. So, okay guys, wala ko topic, pero anong na-reflect nyo sa subong na sa ano na day? Oo, tungkol na mo. Gusto nyo lang, walang taon.
Oh, hindi na.
Ayun lang. No, may naubos na. Ganito,
Damo daw, winning snacks ni Bless.
what's in Blessed bag?
Yes. Ako ba? Okay, so sa bag ni Bless, we have this big, huge blanket.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very soft, very soft.
Yeah, blanket.
And, you know,
Oh, and a lot of crisscross. With a little bit of magic sheep.
yes.
And
Mangwan.
Marties. Very good, actually. You know, spicy and...
spicy and delicious.
And then si Arabella. Wow.
Spicy,
Also
also
sweet by
spicy.
Jollibee.
Yes, Arabella is also spicy and delicious.
Oh!
Very nice.
Ulo, gawin sa
Storage ko daay.
storage ko. Ita na lang. Uy, ang mo, ano, dako man yung storage niyo. Actually guys, nag-confession kami. And, wala, nag-ibig ko actually. Ikaw. Wala, hindi mag-ibig, no, ano.
Doon na touch.
No, oo. Yeah. Ayun, look at siya, ganyan plastic yan. Hindi yung character mo lang.
Iyan, ito.
Ayun, laka mo. Ano, lipat na.
This is for remembrance.
Sige na yung off ka na lang. Kaso guys, kasad para sa inyo, kayo hindi nyo makita. And
Time
we're...
lapse ka?
Time lapse.
Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world. No, no, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, no, no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or a friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then just end. We can really never have it all.
Yo, look who we found. Say hi.
Say hi, Manulan.
Exotic.
Ay,
Exotic lizard.
exotic lizard. Oh, hello.
Are you Devin from Underhill?
Oh, yun. Grabe na part of
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye naman ang Lan.
Bye-bye.
Bye na sa
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye guys.
Doon tao. Bye guys. 1, 2, 3.
Hello guys. So we're back. So
Ako gali si Bless.
hindi. So this is our last our video for this last video for today. So we're gonna see you guys on career day. Okay. On the career day will be tomorrow. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Diyan. Kita. Okay. So
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. So I'm ulitin ta. Again, I'm Sean.
I'm Kyla.
I'm Bless.
Arabella. Ayan.
And Jikim Kachi. So we are the Ninja Turtles. Okay.